Eagle Pop, nagsiuwian na ang fans ng mga Eagle Pop na wala na sila ng pag-asa. Gagawa kaya ng milagro ang Eagle Pop ngayong gabi. Papatunayan kaya nila sa mga fans nila na mali sila. Dapat hindi sila umuwi. Hindi pa na yun, airball, mali siya talaga.
Dos ang makuha.
Intercepted ni Baluyo.
Dos ang sukli.
Baluyo.
Kaya mo, dos.
Sabi siya, umuwi na tayo Kuya Mon. Hindi ka na babalik ni Goldwyn. Hindi ka na papasok ni Goldwyn. Oo nga.
Sige na yan. Pasok yan para kay Baluyo. Nagsiuwi na ng sounds na. Wala na mag-asa.
Kulang ba ang sa'yo, Maria?
Easy basket yan para kay number 8. Pente na po ang kalamangan. Intercepted na naman. Magallanes. Ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. 40 seconds remaining.
Hoy, number 22 naman!
Magallanes. Lay up with the left hand. Basket yan naman ng Magallanes. Tres para kay Lawrence.
Ano yung ginagawa kang tagalabas? Hindi naman sa'yo!
15 seconds.
Yan, nakasip yan. Hindi yung boy ka na yan. Ay, girlfriend pala.
5 seconds. Joshua ngayon, hinahabol ang best player sa game. Kaso lang wala talaga. At doon na po natapos ang ating laro. Magkabayan po tayo, best player natin.
Oh, libre na, libre!
Flores. Meron kang isang appear,
Yung toothpick
dalawang
bag.
pisang, 3 kintat.
Dandahan ka natin. At wala ng tao.
Flores.
Oh, bigat na ng ano mo. Nasa 50 million yung laman niya. Agay, agay.
Maria!
Same lane, didn't switch. Same game, ibang way. Same way, different way. Then my hair was beautiful. Do my titties look right? Think I can knock a boy off? All the girls that's here for the true come put both hands on a DJ booth then wind your way to the late night song. Get too stiff cause I take so round. Good God. Baby, look what they got when you feel so sweet. Wanna spin you around. If I pull your gang, I'll bring you around. If I pull to the bar, I'll bring you around. What's wrong? Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I'm sure these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, he take control of me. Who don't know the trace in a race, they get hold me. And I show my face when they take it, so you know it's me. Imitation is flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. In the dirt, that they threw on my name, turn the soil.
Sino nabigay sa'yo nito, Tep? Dapat bili ka na ng bago. Dumi-dumi na. Oy.
Labahan niya, Joy. 29, G5, C5.